Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Orchid Mantis ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Easter update. Again, this is how the Orchid Mantis looks like, and I'm going to place it in my garden. But before I show you what this pet can do, guys, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this pet. Basically, if you want to get this pet, you need to join the Evil Bunny event. Okay, you need to sacrifice your plant and you will have chance to get this Orchid Mantis. And in my case, I could unlock this Orchid Mantis after I sacrifice my maple resin. Okay, and let me show you the ability of this pet. Okay, this is a defined pet, guys. And yeah, it can give you the floral mutation. Fruit with floral turn gold, and gold fruit with floral convert to rainbow. So you will have chance to get gold fruit and also rainbow. Whoa, and it's pretty OP. So I would like to recommend you to keep it in your garden, of course, because it's really cool. It has ability to give you floral mutation and even the rainbow. And okay guys, that's all about the Orchid Mantis in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!